In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create printables in Canva to sell on Etsy. This is a fantastic way to express your creativity and even earn some extra income. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Once you're on the homepage, decide on the type of printable you'd like to create. For this tutorial, we'll use stickers as an example. Type stickers into the search bar and hit enter. Canva will display a variety of templates specifically designed for stickers. Take a look through the options and pick one that catches your eye. Once you find a template you like, click on it to open a new window where you can see it more closely. Here you'll start customizing it. Click on Customize this template to adjust the design to match your own style or theme. Now that you're in the design interface, it's time to get creative. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find the Elements tab. Click on it to explore the many design elements Canva offers. Within the Elements tab, you'll see a category for stickers. Click on it to add fun and vibrant sticker elements to your design. While browsing sticker elements, feel free to experiment. Play around with different shapes, colors, and styles until your design feels just right. If one element doesn't quite work, you can easily replace it with another from the options available. This flexibility allows you to create a unique printable that stands out in the Etsy marketplace. As you customize, keep in mind that Etsy customers love quality and originality. Try to add a personal touch to your designs, use bright, eye-catching colors, and explore trendy themes. These are currently very popular with buyers. Once your design is complete, it's essential to save your work. Click the download button at the top of the Canva screen. Choose a file format that works best for your product, typically PDF or PNG, which are ideal for Etsy listings. After downloading, you're ready to list your printable on Etsy. Make sure to write a detailed description, set an appropriate price, and upload high-quality images to attract potential buyers. And there you have it. You've just created your very own printable stickers using Canva, ready to sell on Etsy. By following these steps, you've taken your first step into the world of digital products. Keep creating, explore more designs, and don't hesitate to experiment with styles that will catch the eyes of Etsy shoppers. Good luck and happy selling. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create